Good afternoon to the both of you. Los Angeles County and city officials wrapped up a press conference within the last hour, talking about progress made on the wildfire so far. They also spoke about the work that continues as those predicted strong winds make their way into that area, sparking concern over new fires and the current ones spreading. As firefighters and first responders move into an almost week-long battle against the Eaton and Palisades fires, they report progress but say extremely critical conditions remain as close to hurricane force level winds move in as predicted by the National Weather Service. So far, at least 24 people have died as a result and dozens remain missing. More than 92,000 LA County residents remain under evacuation orders and roughly 89,000 are under evacuation warnings. Officials say crews from across the state, the nation, and even other countries are in place, and even some who continue to arrive are assisting in the efforts to fight on ground and on air. The Palisades fire was mapped at more than 23,000 acres and is 14% contained. The Eaton fire in Altadena and Pasadena is 33% contained after burning more than 14,000 acres.
Severe fire weather conditions will continue through Wednesday. Please be assured that all fire departments and all law enforcement agencies in the area will be prepared. The anticipated winds, combined with low humidities and low fuel moistures, will keep the fire threat in all of Los Angeles County critical.
My top priority and the priority of everyone else is to do everything we can to protect lives.
Now, officials say they are keeping an eye out for price gouging when it comes to things like hotel prices and scammers who are looking to take advantage of the ongoing situation. They have said they will go after those individuals and hold them accountable. Meanwhile, you can find a link on our website of how you can donate to the LA Fire Relief. Live in the newsroom, Christine Flores, WGN News.